Hi there. So for this video, we are going to save this cup. When I did the hydrodip, this is Maribu marbling inks or paints. When I did this hydrodip, it ended up with this weird wave on it. I don't know what the deal is, and I hardly got any of my pink or purple, but that's okay. We're gonna roll with it. There's a couple of spots that even just don't even have paint on them, but we're gonna cover it up. So this prickly pear matches pretty close to that color there, which was just like a spring mix that I got in one of my Fran's boxes a while back, one of the designer boxes. So I'm going to do is the power wash method base with this. And then since I have so much teal and aqua here, I'm not even going to deal with that on the vinyl part. So what I'm going to do is purple and this opal from Hobby Lobby. I've already got my decal cut out. It says I run on coffee, mascara, and ponytails, which is pretty accurate for me. So I've got a bunch of little extra coffee cups, a couple sets of eyelashes. I'm undecided on if I'm going to use those, but I'm pretty sure I am. And then the pretty little offsets here. So let's get this cut and done here, and let's get outside to work on this as well. All right, I have everything weeded. So now I am working on putting this onto here. I'm going to use the hinge method and this piece of parchment. The trickiest part is honestly getting all these pieces off of the original sheet and onto the transfer. It's my least favorite. I found this in some craft stuff and I just kind of use it as a little straight edge. There's all kinds of stuff that will work. Oh, that lifted just a little. Okay, so now move that over. I'm taking advantage of this kind of sticky background here because I don't want to have to chase down all my pieces here. All right, so I'm going to line this up. It's kind of tricky. Line this up to be the center of all of that offset, best I can. I feel like I always get it off at least a little bit, but you know, it's not the end of the world if you do. It matters if you get it really far off, but just a little bit isn't too much of a problem. So now, just rub it, burnish it, show it some love, whatever you want to call it, to get everything to lay down. I'm not ready to take it off of this backing yet. So I'm going to can't get all of it. There we go. I'm going to just kind of lift this off, and I'm going to very carefully try and make sure it stays on that backing. There we go. Okay, that is like part of my least favorite part of this whole process is dealing with the vinyl. So now I'm going to do that with all my other little pieces. Well, you can't see as I'm pointing. I'm going to do it with all my other little pieces here as well, so that when we have our base power washed and epoxied, we'll be ready to rock and roll with these guys. I can't do the power wash right now because it is pitch black outside. Man, these short days,
they're rough. I have my Dawn, got my cup. I have pre-shaken. I'm gonna make this quick because I am literally running out of daylight. It's tough, but that's okay. Got my cup of water here ready to rinse. I don't want so much paint that I hide all my pretty colors here. But I don't want it so little soap. I don't want so much soap that I don't get that fun design right there. Isn't that pretty? So now this will dry, and then I'll do a layer of epoxy and then the vinyl that we did just a little bit ago.
We're gonna let this dry and epoxy over it. And if you're catching on that this looks a little bit different than the one I just did on video, that's because I completely ruined that particular finish and I had to redo it twice. Something's wrong with me some days. One of these days I'm gonna figure out how to prevent that weird little haziness. I think it's because of the spray paint popping the bubbles, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure though, but I'm not worried about it. So we'll epoxy this tomorrow night. So this is cured. I've got a nice, not super thin, but thin enough layer of epoxy on here. I went ahead and did a light sand just because I did have some air bubbles that popped after I walked away. No biggie. For what we're doing, you're not going to see it. So I've got it cleaned up, ready to rock and roll. I want to start with my main decal here. I kind of want to go where there's like the most pink. So I'm going to go right in there. And then we'll scatter around those other ones. Cutesy all around. Just going to get that on there. I have yet to find a transfer tape that I'm absolutely in love with. I feel like I fight with everything. That came off nice and easy. I say that. Maybe I should say that every time. And I'm going to eyeball this here. I want it straight. I don't have to worry about it being perfectly centered top to bottom. But I am worried about it being straight on here. Okay. I love this decal. I may have already said this, but years ago I needed something like this for my own personal coffee cup. So someone threw it together. I sent her a few bucks, and I don't even remember what group it was in, where it was. I remember zero details about this. I think she just emailed it to me, and I think I like PayPal'd. I don't even remember. Yeah, you can see me having a little trouble on this one. That's all right. And now we're just gonna scatter kind of all over. I'm not gonna worry about only getting in the spots here, but I do want to use those to my advantage. That way it pops a little bit more. Super cute. Do some eyelashes here. I don't want these spaced too far apart because I don't want them to take up a lot of room. But I do want them. I only have 2 sets of these, so I'm going to do one here and then one like way over here so they're nice and spaced out from each other. Ta-da. Okay. So now we're going to do it with the rest of the things. I may not use all of the coffee cups because I feel like I did probably too many of those. But I'm going to scatter them around, throw one on the bottom. I accidentally covered up my little logo there. No biggie. So I'm going to put one on the bottom just to kind of give it something a little sassy there. And we'll be right back. Here she is. I kind of repositioned a couple of those that I had laid just a second ago. I didn't want it too busy, but I really love these little lashes. So yeah, now I'm going to do a really thin layer of UV resin over here just so I can go straight to epoxy. You can let this sit, you can seal it with clear coat spray paint, whatever you want to do, but I've found that if I just throw a little UV resin on it, it helps me. And I actually took my Fran's UV resin to work for a project, so I'm going to grab this one that I have from Let's Resin. I have several things of theirs that I've gotten off of Amazon. So I'm going to do a little bit of this, cure it with my light, possibly even open up a window and let it cure in the window, and then we'll put epoxy over it. I need one more layer of epoxy. I've got a couple of spots where I can feel a little something, but it's overall pretty smooth. Got a little piece of lint there that was kind of flying around. It's pretty windy, so I'm not surprised by that at all. But anyways, this is the Opal, just Hobby Lobby brand. The purple is Orcal 651. The paints are the Maribu Easy Marbles. And then the spray paint is Prickly Pear Rust-Oleum. The epoxy I used on the base was Mr Nolas, but since that had cured completely by the time I got ready to do this, I just went ahead and used this for the top because I'm using this for another cup. You can hear it spinning in the back right now, but I like this stuff. I'm pretty fortunate. I have a lot of epoxies that work really well for me in this particular climate that I'm in Texas. So there she is. It's pretty cute. I'll put a picture, I'll put a little thumbnail on the tutorial once the sun is up and I can get a good picture of the colors, because on here I feel like the purple's not really, doesn't really look purple on that opal, but it does in person. Anyways, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comments, and thank y'all so much for hanging out and watching. And this is my first upload for 2023 because my other one was a failure and I have to completely restart on it, and that one will be up in a couple weeks. So anyways, that's what we have there. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.